What's up, guys? I want to do a quick review today on this brand new aquarium. I do apologize because you can obviously hear the aquarium, so the audio won't be the best on this, but I am a massive fan of this aquarium. It's become a family favorite very, very quickly. You can see our fish chilling in here, along with our Groot decor. A couple of these are magnetic brush, all the other stuff that goes with it. But the tank itself is really, really high quality. Was very pleased with how it turned out. Very easy to get everything set up. Zero complaints at all. I actually had this one specifically recommended to me by a friend, and definitely agree with him that this is just the way to go. Have absolutely no complaints with this aquarium. Let me make sure you guys see the whole thing really well here. This was an automatic feeder that we've put here on top. So if you're looking for a really good fish tank, fish aquarium, highly recommend picking this one up, and I don't think you'll be disappointed.